In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF viewer to ClickFunnels. We're going to embed an interactive PDF viewer directly on your page so visitors can read, scroll, and optionally download your document without leaving your funnel. This approach keeps people engaged and makes your content feel polished and professional. First, set up your viewer using a widget tool like the PDF viewer from Common Ninja. Open the widget, then upload your PDF file or paste a direct link to it. Take a moment to customize the look and behavior. Choose the viewer size to fit the space you have in your page layout. A common height is between 600 and 900 pixels for comfortable reading. Decide whether you want the toolbar to show and whether users can download or print the file. You can usually control zoom options, page navigation, and even the initial page that opens. If the tool offers responsive settings, enable them so the viewer adapts nicely on mobile and tablets. When your viewer looks good, click Save Changes, then choose Add to Website to generate your embed code. You'll receive an HTML or JavaScript snippet. Copy that code to your clipboard. Keep this window handy in case you want to tweak the viewer later. Now, open your ClickFunnels dashboard and navigate to the funnel step where you want the PDF to appear. Click Edit Page to launch the page editor. Decide exactly where the viewer should live, above the fold for important documents or below supporting content if it's secondary. Make sure the surrounding section has enough width and padding so the viewer doesn't feel cramped. Inside the editor, click Add New Element where you want the viewer placed. From the element list, select the HTML/code option, sometimes labeled Custom JS HTML. This element allows you to paste the embed code safely without interfering with other page elements. Open the code editor for that element and paste in the embed code you copied. Save your changes in the element, then save the page. Use the preview option to check the live rendering. Some viewer scripts won't fully render inside the editor, so previewing is the best way to confirm it's working. If the viewer looks too short or creates a scroll bar inside a scroll bar, increase the height value in your widget settings or within the embed's style attribute. Test on mobile as well. If the toolbar feels cramped, reduce the toolbar options or adjust margins. That's it. You created the viewer, copied the embed code, opened your ClickFunnels page, added an HTML element, and pasted the code. Save, preview, and your PDF is now viewable right inside your funnel.